What's up, everybody? This is Lezima Designs, and welcome back to the weekend. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the reveal or the outcome after the 4 months that I painted the bathroom flooring. So, which is this bathroom. 4 months ago, I painted the flooring on this bathroom, and I will show you now what the flooring looks like. So. So this is the bathroom, if you guys remember. So after 4 months ago, I painted the floor that I used the Rust-Oleum floor paint. So I did this bathroom a white color and a white finish. I believe it's semi-gloss finish paint. So here it is. I'm not gonna lie, these flooring still look new, or it looks that I just repainted it like how it looks like 4 months ago. It still looked the same. So this is no filter, and I'm gonna show you guys the flooring. So here it is. Before I did this video, I did not mop or sweep, so it's kind of a little dusty. You guys remember, I did this white, and then I created the freehand square on each corners, a black, same paint, Rust-Oleum black and white paint with the Rust-Oleum sealer. It's a clear coat sealing paint for it. So here, look. So for foot marks or slippers or shoes, it doesn't leave any marks, and it's still the same. It is still the same. It's still pretty. I'm not just saying this. This is not a promotion video. Look at that. You guys can see the flaws, but you know, things happen, like I said. So still here, I did not put any liners in between from the original paint. You guys can see this is the original paint, the old paint of the tile, and this is how the breakup of it. So excuse the floor, I forgot to sweep it before I make this film. It's kind of a little shiny because of the sealer, the top coat protection for this floor paint. This is the close-up. So I recommend this brand, Rust-Oleum. It's a tile paint, and I'm gonna leave the link below for the brand that I use, for the product that I use, for you guys to see and try. And please leave any questions or comments below if you guys wanted to see more. And if you guys have a question, please comment on the comment box below, and I'm gonna put the description if you guys wanted to see how I painted this flooring. And I highly recommend this brand by Rust-Oleum floor paint kit, and this is awesome. And especially if you guys don't have a budget to rip off your tiles, I recommend this floor painting for you guys to try and see how it looks. I think it's awesome. I think it's very, very effective, and I think it will last for the long run. So thank you guys for watching on this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video outcome or video reveal or video after. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please visit my website lezimadesignsservice.com for more. And this is Lezima Designs, upgrading homes.